Famous Indian actor and their favorite IPL team: Anil Kapoor, Mumbai Indians; Amir Khan, Rajasthan Royals; Shah Rukh Khan, Kolkata Knight Riders; Amitabh Bachchan, Mumbai Indians; Dulquer Salman, Chennai Super Kings; Ranveer Singh, Royal Challengers Bangalore; Abhishek Bachchan, Mumbai Indians; Rana Daggubati, Sunrisers Hyderabad; Surya, Royal Challengers Bangalore; Aditya Roy Kapoor, Mumbai Indians; Rajkumar Rao, Rajasthan Royals; Allu Arjun, Sunrisers Hyderabad; Prabhas, Chennai Super Kings; Ramarao Jr., Sunrisers Hyderabad; Sunil Shetty, Kolkata Knight Riders; Varun Dhawan, Mumbai Indians; Vijay Deverakonda, Royal Challengers Bangalore; Ayushmann Khurrana, Gujarat Titans; Ajay Devgan, Mumbai Indians; Vikrant Messi, Chennai Super Kings; Vicky Kaushal, Punjab Kings; Salman Khan, Mumbai Indians; Akshay Kumar, Punjab Kings; Dhanush, Chennai Super Kings; Ram Charan, Sunrisers Hyderabad; Pankaj Tripathi, Kolkata Knight Riders; Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Chennai Super Kings; Farhan Akhtar, Kolkata Knight Riders; Vivek Oberoi, Royal Challengers Bangalore; Kartik Aaryan, Mumbai Indians; Arjun Kapoor, Mumbai Indians; Saif Ali Khan, Mumbai Indians; Bobby Deol, Punjab Kings; Ishan Khattar, Kolkata Knight Riders; Hrithik Roshan, Mumbai Indians; Mahesh Babu, Sunrisers Hyderabad; Yash, Royal Challengers Bangalore; Ranbir Kapoor, Mumbai Indians. So viewers, who is your favorite IPL team? You can let us know by commenting, and if you think it's an informative video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.